take you to Doofenshmirtz's lab.
Doofenshmirtz Able Incorporated.
And if it isn't obvious enough, it'll flash like a shockwave that'll transform your motionless voices to cool voice impressions.
Can do.
Oh, I know that guy. That's Rick Astley.
So, how does my voice sound?
Cool and good.
Indeed it is.
I agree. It doesn't even sound half bad.
It'll take a while to get used to it, but I don't think too long.
Ah, crap. I accidentally pressed the self-destruct button.